Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up Codex in Antigravity IDE. Make coding faster 10x. Guys, I have already installed Antigravity and Node.js. Let's check the Node version. Go to Windows Search. Type cmd. Click Command Prompt. Now Command Prompt is open. Type here Node-v. Press Enter. Now you can see the Node version 24.15.0. Let's check the npm version. npm version is 11.12.1. Now I am going to install Codex. Go to web browser. Go to search. Install Codex. CLI. Press Enter. Scroll down. OpenAI Developer. Click on Codex CLI. Scroll down. Install the Codex CLI with npm. Copy this command. Go to Command Prompt. Paste the copied command here. Press Enter. Codex is installing. It will take a few seconds. Now Codex installed. I am going to login Codex. Type here Codex. Login. Press Enter. It will redirect to browser. You can see the login method. Continue with Google. Continue with Apple. Continue with Microsoft. Continue with phone. Now I am login with Google account. Let's click on it. Sign in to Codex with GPT. Click Continue. Now Codex is login. Go to Command Prompt. Type Codex. Press Enter. Do you trust the contents of this directory? Select option 1 Yes, continue. Press Enter. Set up the default sandbox. Press Enter. Click on Yes. Setting up sandbox. Sandbox is ready. Current GPT model is 5.5. If you want to change GPT model, type /model. Press Enter. Current model is 5.5. Another GPT models are available. GPT 5.4. GPT 5.4 Mini. I am going to select this. Press Enter. Reasoning level, default is medium. Press Enter. Model changed, but currently showing 5.5. Close Command Prompt. Go to Windows Search. Click Command Prompt. Type Codex. Press Enter. Now you can see the GPT model. GPT 5.4 Mini Medium. Type Hi. Press Enter. It's showing, Hi, what do you need help with? So it's working fine. Now I am going to set up Codex in Antigravity. Close Command Prompt. Close web browser. Open this PC. Click Documents. Create a new folder. Set folder name Codex-project. Close Documents. Open Antigravity IDE. Close old projects if you have. Click Terminate. Go to Explorer. Click Files. Click Open Folder. Select Codex Project folder. Click Select Folder. Go to Extensions. Go to Search. Type Codex. Scroll down. Here it is. Codex OpenAI Agent. Click Install. Click on Trust Publisher and install. Now Codex OpenAI Agent is installing. It will take a few seconds. Now Codex OpenAI Agent is installed. Go to OpenAI icon. Codex in your IDE. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. It's introducing GPT 5.5. Click on Continue with current model. Now you can see showing older tux. GPT model is 5.4 mini medium. Now I am going to create Hello World web page. Create a web page Hello World using HTML. Press Enter. Now web page is created. Go to Explorer. Here it is index.html. Let's right-click on it. Select Reveal in File Explorer. Double-click on index file. As you can see, Hello World web page. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to set up Codex in Antigravity IDE, make coding faster 10x. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.